LinkedIn. What if I told you the video you're watching right now might not even be real? What if every second of it, the scenes, the voices, even me talking to you was created by nothing more than a single AI prompt? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the twist. It's already happening. We might be living in a world where AI isn't just a tool, it's the storyteller, the director, the cameraman, and even the actor all rolled into one. And with Google's brand new V3 model, the line between reality and AI-generated content has officially blurred beyond recognition. Forget Kling AI, forget Sora AI. They were impressive in 2024, but V3? This thing makes them look like toys. I'm talking about hyper-realistic videos that feel like you're standing inside the scene. And the wildest part? I made them all with a single sentence. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness the raw power of Google 5.3 to create videos that will make people question if they're watching reality or an AI dream. And the best part? You can do it 100% free, no hidden fees, no tricks, no subscription walls. So, buckle up, because once you see what V3 can do, you'll never look at video creation the same way again. Let's dive in. Dumbling. 36 several important areas. Just look at these impressive videos I created with only one prompt. It's truly remarkable. That's why in this video, I will show you how to use this AI tool to generate some truly impressive videos. Plus, I'll explain how you can use it 100% free, so you won't have to spend a single penny. So let's get straight into it. To start off, go ahead and open the official Google DeepMind webpage. As you can see, VO3 is currently available only through Gemini and Flow. So let's begin with Gemini. Once you click the Gemini button, G05, a new page will open. Now here's the good part. Gemini offers a 1-month free trial without requiring any payment upfront, which I'm currently using. Alright, once you've activated the free trial, go ahead and open up Gemini. On the left side, you'll see 3 different models you can choose from. I personally prefer using the Pro model for the best results. Also, I currently have 2 video creations left for today, but it's not a problem, because the credits will eventually reset just below that click on the video button, and you'll notice, 35. The video model is automatically set to V3. Now all that's left is to enter a prompt to generate your video. So let me show you a simple way to create one. To create the prompts, we'll use ChatGPT. So go ahead and open it. Once you're in the prompt section, write that in the same chat. ChatGPT will be your assistant for generating prompts for VO3. And right below that, just copy the exact prompt that I'm using for the best results. Once that's done, just click generate. And just like that from now on, ChatGPT will help. R04. You create video prompts for V3 with just a few simple instructions. Now, for example, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a video prompt about a man playing a Vivaldi masterpiece on the violin. And right below that, I'll just give some simple appearance instructions, like how the environment and the character should look. Once that's done, just click generate. And just like that, ChatGPT will give us the perfect video prompt that we'll use to create the video. Alright, now that you have the prompt, simply copy it and head over to Gemini here. Just RW32. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. And after that, click generate. Now as you can see, this process usually takes around 2 to 5 minutes. And once it's done, your video will be fully ready. So let's see how it came. Music out. Wow, the video looks amazing. It's like a real person is actually playing the violin. It's honestly insane. So now, let's go ahead and create another one. Just like before, head back into ChatGPT. For this one, I'll ask it to create a video prompt about a girl sitting in her car, stuck in traffic. And right next, San 11. That, as you can see, I've added what she'll be saying in the video. It's super easy. Once that's done, just click generate. And within seconds, the prompt will be ready for you. Alright, now, just like before, copy the entire prompt from here. Then head over to Gemini, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and finally click generate. The generation process works the same for all videos. So once it's ready, let's check out how the video turned out. I can't believe this is happening. This is just insane. VO3 literally makes every video look like real life. Now San 48 also tried creating a cinematic action video with Gemini, so let's see how it turned out. Alright, now that we've tested out V3-inch Gemini, let's try it out using Flow, since there you get a bit more advanced. Settings. To start off, open the Flow webpage, and once you're in, click on the Create with Flow button here. You can simply sign in using the same account that has the free trial. And once that's done, as you can see, now we're in Flow. To start off, click the button on the left side. As you can see, there's the text 423 video feature. Then frames to video, and below that there's also an ingredients to video feature, but that one is available for ultimate users only, so we'll stick to the first two. Let's begin with the text to video feature. Once that's selected, go ahead and open the Settings tab on the right side. In the first option, you can choose how many videos you want to generate per prompt. Just below that, you'll find the model settings, which are very important. As you can see, you have access to fast mode and quality mode, but those options are based 451 on VO2. To use the VO3 model, you'll need to select the highest quality setting since that's the one that uses VO3, so make sure to choose it before generating. Alright, now let's create our first video. For this one, I'll ask it to generate a close-up shot of a frying pan with sliced onions sizzling in it. You know that instant sizzling sound when they hit the pan. Right next to that, I'll add an audio prompt that says distinct sizzle. Once that's done, just hit generate, and the process will begin. It works just like before and should only 5:21. Take a few minutes, then we'll check out how the video turned out. All right, after a couple of minutes, the video is now ready. So let's take a look and see how it turned out. Music. Yep, this is just insane. It looks so real. The sound effects are incredibly realistic, and honestly, it's just spot on. Now to download the video. Click on the download button above it. As you can see, you have a few options. You can download it as a GIF in 270p, as the original in 720p, or even upscale it and download it in 1080p. Personally, I prefer LIF 01, downloading the original version. Spies exchanging information in a crowded train station. I'll also add some dialogue between them, and I'll make sure both characters speak with one being male and the other female. So the video includes two distinct voices. Okay. Now that the prompt is ready, just like before, I'll click generate. And without wasting time, let's check out how. LIF 28. It turned out, the microfilm film is in your ticket. They're watching the north exit. As you can see, the video turned out pretty good overall, but there were a few glitches near the end. So I went ahead and created another version using the same prompt. Let's see if this one came out any better. The microfilm is in your ticket. They're watching the north exit. This one is a lot better. So you get the point. V3 might make a few mistakes here and there, but overall the quality is pretty consistent. So now let's try out the frames to video feature. First scroll, Secti, 06, down, and open the features section. Then select frames to video. As you can see, you'll need to upload a first frame image and a last frame image. For example, for the first frame, I've generated an image of Thanos, standing in a battlefield, not fighting yet. And for the last frame, I've created an image of Thanos in action, with a lot of effects around him. Once that's done, I will enter a prompt to animate both of the frame images. As you can see, I've described how each frame should look when it's brought to life. You can easily create a similar Sect 34 prompt using ChatGPT. Just like before. Alright, let's go ahead and generate the video. But keep in mind the frames to video feature currently only works with the V2 model. That means there won't be any sound effects. And the quality might be a bit lower, but honestly it still looks pretty good. So, let's check out how the video came out. While this video was created using V2, it's still impressive. But let's be honest, V3 definitely takes things to a whole new level. Now let's take a quick look at the pricing. Now here's the reality. V3 used to cost a jaw-dropping $250 a month. Today, that price has been cut in half to $125. Still not cheap, I know. But when you see what it can do, when you realize it can produce content that looks and feels real, you start to understand why this is a game changer. And here's the kicker, I've got a feeling that in the next few weeks, we're gonna see other AI tools sneak in and offer V3 access for a fraction of the cost. That means this is your window. Your chance to build an entire faceless YouTube empire before the rest of the internet catches on. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to jump into AI video creation, this is it. Google V3 is not just the future, it's the present. And if you're not using it, you're already behind. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.